Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need a YouTube channel and the YouTube Studio app? Start now. Sign into the Google account that owns the channel because Studio links to that channel. Once signed in, install the official YouTube Studio app from your device store and open it. Make sure to grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions. These allow uploads and thumbnail edits. If you don't see your channel, create one in the main YouTube app, then return to Studio and refresh to proceed. Now work inside Studio. Go to Dashboard to see key metrics and recent activity so you know what needs attention. For a new upload, tap the plus sign, pick your video, then enter an informative title and description. This helps search and viewer retention. Add tags and choose a thumbnail on mobile, upload, or pick a frame. Once done, set visibility to public, unlisted, private, or schedule a publish time. Make sure monetization options are correct before you finish. Finish by confirming the video processed and then publish, schedule, or keep it private according to your plan. Once live, monitor comments, viewer retention, and analytics from Studio so you can tweak titles, thumbnails, or cards. This is how growth happens. If something breaks, for example, Studio won't show your channel or uploads fail, update the app and clear its cache, then sign out and back in. If still stuck, reinstall the app and verify your Google account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.